Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. Yes, I am back again with another video. Oh my god, back again. Ooh. Anyway, so yes, if you haven't already been introduced to myself, I am aka Scarlet Maze. This is my YouTube channel. So I come to you today all fresh-faced and beautiful because it is a 2-in-1 special. So I have been doing well, I started IPSY's Ultimate Bag, I think is a subscription that I did. I restarted that and they sent me my first bag or box. So I thought I would give you guys a little, you know, sneak and see what I got. Now let me tell you guys, this box is amazing. Like, I am so pleased with the things that I've gotten and I haven't even tried everything. So, whew. Anyway, I am going to be recreating a look, which is part 2. So if you want to see that, stick around for my other video. It will be posted after this. But yeah, so let's get on with the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Alright you guys, so I haven't gone to the nail salon, so my nails are pretty messed up. I'm gonna take them off myself and try and do acrylics next week, but I'm gonna film that. So yeah, I haven't done it yet. So bear with me, my nails look terrible. Anyway, so for my May box, came like so. And in my May box, I got this Nomad Cosmetics Sun Palette. And you guys, this is going to be my new favorite bronzer. So I went on a cruise last year and I left my bronzer. I don't know if I left it on the cruise or I left it when I went to my mom's house in Miami, but I don't have it anymore. So I've been so sad because my other favorite one is basically done. But this, you guys, this bronzer will make up for all, I mean, highlighters, everything. Like, this is a bronzer right here, all highlighters right here. It will make up for all my pain and suffering. I swear to God, it will. And it has a nice mirror, you guys. Anyway, and yes, IPSY is $25. Is it $25? Yeah, $25. I think it's $25. Anyway, so the next item that I'm going to start with the things that I have used for sure. So I got Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette by color Raine, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. And I've been really trying to be considerate of what I put on my face because I will break out with, like, if I touch my face for too long, I break out. With the whole corona thing going on, the mask, I'll break out. Like, I have to make sure my masks are clean. So this palette came and it looks tiny, but you guys, this is how it looks. You guys, this palette, the look that I'll be doing is based off of this palette. And when I tell you, gorgeous. I accidentally dug into this color right here, but you guys, look at this. Look at this brown. Then we have this bronzy color. Let's see, my cat bit me, so, but yeah, look at this color, you guys. Whew. Okay, what's the next one? What's the next color that they have? All right, so this is the brown, how it goes on. My cat got me, y'all. My cat got me. And then we have a lighter brown that I love using as a transition color. It's so creamy. It's not too bold. Like, you can add on, that's this brown right here. Then we have a cream color, perfect for blending. Look at that. Look at that cream color. Then I'm gonna go on. I have like 2 more colors, you guys. I use this color as a highlighter and ooh. 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 Look at, what is this? What is this, you guys? What is this? This is gorgeous. And then last we have a top color. It's like a cream. You can put it on top of your eye. It's not, ooh, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. So I am going to try and make sure my, I'm gonna try and make sure that my lighting works, you guys. So I might cut part of this video and we'll see. It is going down. I was trying to get it all, but I overnapped, so whatever. Anyway, so the next thing that I have tried in beauty project, whatever, this is a glaze and a lip oil. It's for soft, plump, and supple lips. Plump, hydrate, and smooth. You guys, this little lip gloss reminds me of, do you remember those little roller lip glosses that we had that had the different flavors? I don't know, this is for millennials and up. So this literally reminds me of that. It smells so good, it tastes so good. My lips feel hydrated. It's not tacky for a lip gloss. Like, I'm definitely going to buy this product when it's done. Like, no lie, no joke, I'm getting it. All right, so I'm almost done with what I got. See, there's a lot of products. All right, so that was 3. All right, so I got this Tarteist lip paint and it's in the color Choker. Now, to be honest, you guys, I'm gonna have to do some razzle dazzle with this. It's a beautiful color, but on me, with my skin tone, I look like a ghost. So, whew. it was a little tragic, but it felt more like moist. It didn't get tacky, all the fun stuff. So I'll see what I can do. Maybe I can add that to a red, make it an ombre. Yeah, but not all over my lips, definitely not. So the last thing I got, which I haven't tried yet, is Mudmasky Aftermask Vitamin Serum. And I'll just see how it smells. Ooh, it's not open. PETA certified skin loving ingredients made fresh in Amsterdam. Wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, leave the serum on during day or night. So I will try this. I'll let you guys know how it goes on my Instagram. So check me out at Scarlet Maze and I'll give you guys some reviews. So basically that was it for my IPSY bag. 5 products, 5 full-size products that I will definitely be using a lot. So I am very pleased with my $25 to $35 that I spent, because I'm sure this palette alone is at least $25. It's worth it. If it's not, it's a joke, but I'm sure it is. So I'll put everything in the description box so you guys can check it out and go to the website. I'm trying not to do Sephora because yikes. If you don't know what Sephora is done, just Google it with their temporary employees. I'm trying to promote Ulta a little bit more, and yeah. So I will be doing all Ulta, and Ulta is cheaper than Sephora, y'all. So definitely go and head on over. Anyway, so that was part 1 of my video for my IPSY bag. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see a cute fox eye look, I think I will post a picture before so you guys see, and then now. Yeah, definitely check it out. It will be coming up in a couple of days. If you're on Instagram, it might be a little sooner, I don't know. Anyway, it was your girl. It was, where did I go? Am I dying? It's your girl Scarlet Maze. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.